I was gonna work on this behind the scenes and I thought, you know what, let's just turn it into a part 2, finish off the track. So yeah, we're back baby, part 2 of this Flume track, 2012ish era Flume, and yeah, we're gonna finish off the track which we started last time. We did a solid foundation and let's get straight into it. This is what we came up with last time. Cowbell's dirty. Davis are probably gonna be thinking, what the fuck? Ah, no. There's a couple of things I want to tweak. Mainly, I don't think Flume has that many kicks. I feel like it's too many kicks. So I need a little bit of a reference. Love that. It did have a few kicks. I kind of want to model the 808s off that because they weren't quite hitting right for my liking for the last episode. Is that the kick? I think that's the kick. And then add one maybe there. No, I'm liking that. That's cool, that's cool. Nice. And then we could add like a double pulse there for that kick. Cowbell's nutty. This needs to be a clean 808. This was 2012. We weren't fucking making super harmonic infused 808s. I don't want the cowbell there. And then a little bit of noise like a and of course the open hi-hat. Do I want it on that same channel? Nah, this is gonna be... That's gangster. Yeah, that's... This needs to be louder. Mate, all these little tweaks... Why did I add fucking delay? That's not Flumey. Maybe it's feeling a bit weird without it though. Alright, we need to go back to the drawing board with some Flume. Sinatra is kind of our main reference. That is way too modern. Alright, let's get some serious EQ on this. I'm gonna remove all of the modernness. I feel like with Flume, there's not too much background elements going on. Everything's very vocal and everything has its place. If you add too much like reverb, delay, it kind of just melts everything together, but you want kind of elements sitting like almost always all at the same level, if that makes sense. See, where's the... This actually kind of sounds like it's doing whatever the kick's doing. So I might introduce... Where are we? I kind of like this sitting over the top of the kick. Nice, kind of getting there. And then space for that. I kind of do want to add another layer, but I don't know. Oh, fuck it, we add it. It's going to be like a grain layer. What am I doing? Plus 12. It's going to be an octave up. No time delay whatsoever. Oh, that's shit. That kind of effect. And then I'm going to make these notes short to match the drop. You can hear the grit come through the very low frequency, just then leave those maybe. That's already sounding way flumier. Maybe another vocal thing. It's so close. Can't put my finger on it. Alright, we need some inspiration. We need the sonic qualities of these chords. Definitely had some sidechain. That kick is just very overpowering. It's not clean, it's just like really direct in the mix. That's got sidechain. That's consistent, sustained. Alright, maybe add some sidechain. Make this kick just boxy. I think the sidechain will actually help this a lot because that's kind of his aesthetic, his sound. So the kick? No, it was the drum rack, that's right. Yeah, kick. Post effects. I'm gonna leave the sidechain intentionally kind of rough around the edges. The problem is we've got the kick placement with many of the chords, so that's fucked. What would make our kick sound like it's from 2010? 'Tis the question. I'm just gonna YOLO some things until we see what works. Does that work? It kind of gritties it up a bit. Oh, you know what we could do? No, we can change this to BPM. We can change... No, envelope, that's what we want. Then that kind of acts like a sustained decay kind of... We can have it super sharp, or we can have it... Okay, lower values is longer. Lower values is longer. This could be the secret. Ooh, spicy. Okay, I think we found the secret. Decay sustain times just brings out the rate of the LFO, which in turn opens up the filter for a longer time and just makes the sound even more sustained because it's the level longer is just a wider sustain sound. I'm worried that is a little bit too annoying. We could change it up for the second rotation, okay, let's move on to the next section. I think that's done. Does Flume use rises? No. Reverse crash. Okay, we'll add some rises. Gonna make this super authentic Flume. If anything, it needs more cowbell. Anyway, okay, so once Flume's done a rotation of his track, what does he do next is the question. Oh, I know what he does next. Where the hell are we gonna get that kind of lead from? Does it just like detune sine waves, I guess? This is too similar to what he's done. No, we might have to change it. I want to fucking rip off his sound. He does the stripped down chords bit. Yeah, no, he takes his main kind of chord progression that he's developed, introduces it on like a different instrument kind of thing, with not as many harmonics, so like detuned sine waves and stuff, and then straight back into the main chorus with something kind of vocal over the top of it. It's a great formula, really. I like it. Listen to opera. Yeah, it's kind of the sound. Just need some spice. How do I, where's the, mate, where's the, oh, this is it. Did it hiss? Do we keep the bloop? Then straight back into drop number one, baby. With maybe some vocal thing on the top. I feel like the vocal thing is one of the hardest things to achieve, just like the... Why is that hat so loud? There we go. Nah, I might have to analog this thing. Analog, give me something old school detuned. can so hear that. Filter, it's just 2. Humanize that a bit more. It's 2. I love how delayed those. And then we surprise them with Alright, we need to get this vocal thing on lock. Every damn time. Oh, fuck off! Solo. Reverb. We could even strip out these chords for this, and then vocal over the top, maybe. I love that do-do-do in the background, that's sick. Can we just LFO map that to that and have a very slow kind of rate with a little bit, so just like changing the FM just slightly. And just a little lead here maybe? Simpler, what you got for me? Are you I like that rhythm. Fuck. Let's get that in the right notes. Oh, that was atrocious. Doo-doo. Mm-mm. There? You swing this, yeah. Alright, let's play around with another formants. Flume want to use OTT? I don't care. Reverb, delay, it's gonna be subtle. But you don't want that. So we have the cowbell coming. It's all centered around the cowbell. We have the cowbell come in the second half. Then we have something different here. We could introduce the brrrr. I think I know how to do the brrrr sound. Delete, delete, ah! Delete, delete, delete. Quantize. I'll take this and I'll double it up. Perfect. Analog. Square wave. Arpeggiator. Turn that off. How do we do it? Repeats 1. Yeah, there we go. Too high. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's saw. Yeah, maybe it was saw. Okay. Sick. Alright. Can't hear it in the mix. Maybe chuck it there. Why is it so... Is there an effect in Ableton that just detunes your shit? Like, can I... Kinda. Sine wave. Is it doing something different every time though? What's the GTC? Oh. I'm liking that. No, it's too wide. But I do want a little bit wide. Forgot the last chord, and that's doing my head in. That little bit right there. Quanta! Ooh. Okay, we're very close to finishing this. We just need some more FLUME inspiration. We need some tambourines. Weirdly, out of all the Antidote packs I've made, never chucked in a tambourine. So, Ableton, please help me out. Tambour. Fuck it, we need the tambourine. Authentic FLUME. Fade out. Close. Some lead, some very kind of with the tambo. Nah, introduce tambo here. Same elements, same tambo. Let's introduce some of these. No, this could be our last little bit. The, yeah. want any bass for this. Nice, okay, that's our little outro bit. Just need some, where was that simple I was working on? Okay, it just needs some kind of lead. Should we just check it vocal chop and just loop that? Authentic. All right. Not authentic. A little bit of overdrive never hurt. It's probably gonna hurt the sound. With overdrive, I really like the filtered kind of sound it gets. Filtered, distorted, grease sound. So sick. All right, now I do want glide. This is where the magic's gonna happen. Come on, use all your brain cells here, Sam. Nope. Kinda. This might take a bit. Actually, I wanna actually show you guys what the there you go, you'll be able to see what notes I'm hitting. And how awful they're gonna be. Okay. Kinda let it run. Something along those lines. Let's actually put them in notes and scale. That was absolute trash, that bit. But then it's not. Where's the cowbell? We don't want any cowbell on this bit. There it is. Gotta add something new every eighth. This will be for me. Oh, wrong bit. Oh, but the kicks happen there. Oh, fucking, we'll move it over then. Filter this out, low pass maybe? Alright, what is that? That is pretty short, but I mean, we could do the old trick where you drop the tempo. actually kind of suits better. I like that. And that is the old school Flume inspired track. That was so much fun. I'm gonna tweak the mix down a little bit and then I'll play the end result at the end of this video. It's 90% done, so it just needs a couple of tweaks and then it's gold. So yeah, thanks for watching this mini series. Hopefully you learned a thing or two and had a blast watching. I definitely had a blast making it. Anyways, and here is the final Flume tune. See you guys later. Peace!